But you're representing them.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Onan selling Onan generators at the Austin RV Expo. Look at this table. Okay, candy. Wait, what is this? Fleet maintenance?
Yes, we do RV
We
generators.
have a fleet.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do. So this is Brian. He's the one that does our RV generators in repairs, sales, and service. I'm Cameron, and this is my card right here. So we do anything generator related, maintenance, repair, new sales for RV generators, and then we do chassis repairs as well. So.
Okay. I understand what you do now.
Yeah.
You said you're not associated with Onan, but you sell Onan.
Correct. We are an Onan dealer. We are an Onan certified.
But you do more than Onan.
Correct. Yes, we work on all makes and models, RVs and generators.
We are in San Antonio. Are you guys in San Antonio?
Just in Austin. We do have a mobile service for like emergency roadside breakdown. But like I said, that's more for that type of deal. San Antonio's kind of